I'm scared. Easy, they said. So you think I can do this?
I think you can do it.
Is it possible I can't do this? Don't fear the Reaper.
Oh!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Right now? Oh, I thought you were going first.
All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today with
Raymond Warner, sponsored scooter rider.
From
Murrieta, California.
And Aaron Kyro, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. So today, what are we gonna do?
Today, Aaron Kyro is gonna be learning 5 different scooter tricks. I'm actually super hyped on this too.
I'm scared. 5.
I don't think you've done 5 scooter tricks in your life.
I haven't done 5 tricks in my life on anything.
What?
Except for skateboards.
There you go.
Okay. So when I first met him, he came up and shook my hand and he almost broke my entire body. And then I was like, that's why! His upper body strength is inhumane. I'm scared.
It's from the grips.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I guess we just start.
We'll start off easy. We'll do 180.
A 180?
180.
No. Sure. Easy, they said. Okay. Now, so on a skateboard, I ride right foot forward.
Okay.
And I go like that. So a similar thing on a scooter?
Same thing.
Okay.
Goofy, regular. A lot of skateboarding aspects go straight to scootering.
Okay. So you think I can do this?
I think you can do it. I think you got it.
Let's go.
We'll do it. We'll just do them obviously flat. So I'll do the first one. I'll demonstrate it really quick. I'm sure everybody here already knows what a 180 is, but for those of you that don't, this is a 180 on a scoot.
Okay, so that was it.
Yep.
So you ride this way,
I'm
left
regular.
foot forward, and you jump that way.
Yeah.
What do you give me first try?
Props.
Props? That's all? Wait, when you started, you kind of did this thing?
Oh, the bar spin.
Yeah.
Just like this.
You left it on the ground?
Yeah. Just put one foot on. Boom.
You know what's funny about that? I have this like nervous tick. Might be a nervous tick. It might be insanity. But when I skateboard, I always go like this. That's like the equivalent of bar
It's
spin.
exactly the same thing. It's like people just like.
Okay, first try, no big deal.
Or we drop it. Ka-tunk.
Oh yeah, like this?
Yeah, that's another one.
Woo!
Dude, you did more than a 180. You're in the game.
The thing that I'm scared about is riding switch, I guess.
So when you jump,
Yeah.
just land and then instantly jump again. Boom! That was it.
We count that? First try?
No,
First
you gotta
try.
clean it up.
Clean it up? Gosh, Gabe!
Ooh!
Nope!
Gotta push Mongo out.
You did push Mongo.
Dang.
You're close. Jump a little bit higher.
A little higher? Wow. I almost tipped over and hit my head. Should I be wearing a helmet?
No.
Good to you,
He looked
yeah.
at me like... I feel so uncoordinated for some reason. All right, let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Why?
Boom!
Boom!
No Mongo
With
push.
these? No Mongo push out?
No Mongo push is necessary.
Let's go! All
180.
right, trick 1
Check.
done. Check it off. Let's go. What's next?
Next,
Down the 5? 180?
we were asking earlier if you were going to be jumping the 5 today.
I said no.
He said no. And then I went,
Thank you, Gabe.
I went to the 3.
I said yes.
Well, what's trick number 2?
All right.
Something about the handlebars makes me real nervous.
Yeah, I feel you.
feel like I'm going to jump and it's going to go right into my nuts. I don't know why. I feel the same way on a skateboard, but
How you feeling with tail whips?
yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. For you, like it's gonna be weird because you stand like a lot of skateboarders, obviously.
Yeah.
Like wide.
Yeah.
Like very much.
How do
like
you
a board.
stand?
I stand like this
Okay.
when you do tail whips, so you can flick it like with your back foot a little bit faster.
So like a tray flip.
Yeah, exactly. Like
He can tray flip, by the way.
kind of.
Kind of. I saw him
Sometimes.
for first try. Okay.
So here's the whip. As long as your foot's like that and you flick it like a tray flip,
Okay.
you're in the game.
Okay. Caught in the air like that? You really catch it too, right?
Yeah, you don't have to.
With your back foot or front foot?
I catch it with my back foot.
I feel like this might take the rest of the day, guys.
No, I feel like 5 tries.
Okay, shove it.
Think of tray flip in your mind.
Oh man, I know it's so much different than on a skateboard though.
It is. The jump part is gonna be tough.
Can you do this, Gabe? Never tried?
Lean back just a little bit more.
Stay in the
Just
back pocket.
A little bit more.
Lean back. Oh, is it possible I can't do this? Is it possible? There's
You can do it.
a tail whip Aaron Kyro cannot do? We need like a practice step. And there's nothing you do with the arms.
Kind of. On a single, like sort of.
Oh, there's like a little.
It's so awkward with this thing, dude.
Oh,
Kinda,
yeah.
but like on a single, it's more of your feet. Try to like kind of tip your bars a little bit, but it's mostly like in your feet on that one.
Okay.
And it's very much of a jump and a leaning back.
Should be trick 5.
Should we come back to the whip?
No! We're gonna do it! Okay, I know what I need to do. Whoa! That feels so weird.
There you go. That was better. That was better.
Don't fear the Reaper.
We're there. We're there.
You've probably never fallen like that in your life.
Yes, dude.
Okay, okay.
You're there. You're there. Right now.
I'm real scared to land. Okay, let's go. Let's land this.
Yes! Yes, dude!
I did kind of a body varial as well, but that's okay. Never sweated so hard in my life. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna get nutted on the handlebars.
The fronty. The front flip.
Okay, I'm landing this right here.
Come on, Aaron.
Lost my speed. Let's come back to this.
Okay,
Really?
we're coming back to the whip. We're coming back to it.
There's got to be something else I can do. I'm dying out there. Okay, we're gonna take it back a notch. I got that! I got that!
First try.
First try! All right, well, I guess I'll just go for it. Yeah! Oh! Tail whip me now! Okay, for
Hey,
real.
Nigel, show this man how to tail whip.
Who needs a tail whip?
Aaron can't do it.
I can't do it.
Dang, he did you dirty on that one.
I know, he's got the shove it steez though. It's like, I know after I seen Nigel do it, I was like, a skateboarder can do this.
And then it's like a kickflip, jump, twist.
But you jump with your hands. I used to know hands.
No, it's like a full body motion. Like,
Oh, really?
not too much though.
I'm gonna give it 3 more tries, and then I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown and cry. We'll go on to the next trick.
Or you know what? You can think of it as like an ollie late shove.
Okay.
That's a good way to think about
that's
it.
a really good way of thinking about it.
There it
mate.
is.
Yes.
Ollie late shove, boy.
I wanted that so bad. Yeah, hard. Let's go on to something else. Okay, let's do like a, whatever you want, drop off that. I was thinking we go up that grind and come down.
You want to try that?
We gotta learn a grind here
All right, let's do a
somewhere.
grind. Do you want to do it on this?
Yeah.
Let's do that. As long as you can jump onto the ledge and just slide without falling off, you're in the game.
Okay.
All right, the feeble.
Feeble. First try.
Okay, so we're gonna have you go like a little bit at an angle, just barely.
Okay.
And just bunny hop straight. Just try to put the deck on that coping.
Okay.
And just don't freak out.
I'm gonna freak out. Go ahead. All right. Is it easier to jump onto it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
I wonder. Yes, dude!
First try.
That was perfect!
Let's go. Okay, what's next?
Wait, Nigel wanted to get your back.
Oh, Nigel, get my back. Sorry. Oh, okay. Nigel's so good. I see.
Oh, he's trying to play games now.
Oh,
Drop in.
Okay.
Do you want to start on that one?
Yeah, please. And with a helmet. Okay, go ahead.
Drop in?
Dude, heck no.
You've got this.
Okay.
Just do 1 foot.
Oh, okay.
1 foot first.
Okay, go ahead.
Just 1 foot off. And just push and land down there.
Okay.
Lean forward. Definitely lean forward. Don't lean back. Otherwise, you will die.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds safe. Okay, so you kind of jump in. Kind of
Yeah.
like a boneless on a skateboard.
Exactly.
I'm just going to 1 foot it first.
Yes. Oh, perfect.
Like
lean
that?
forward a little more. Don't be scared.
I ain't scared. Is that real?
Yeah.
That's legit?
Did you do it just now?
I mean, I think you tell me if this.
Yeah, perfect. Now do the bigger one.
No!
Okay, so now we've got 180, we've got the drop in, we've got the feeble grind. We're gonna skip the tail up because that's gonna be his last one.
The 3-stair? Let's
Three
go.
stair it is.
And we gotta get him on a skateboard. This is Braille skateboarding after all. We gotta get you on a skateboard.
I'll try. See, here's the thing, like, I have my select few tricks that I can do on a skateboard, and that's where I stop.
Heel flips, the hardest trick. First try, full send, no instruction.
No instruction.
Let's go!
So now we've done 4.
Really?
The whip is the last one.
We've done 4?
Yeah, we've done 180, drop in, grind, 3-stair, tail whip.
Dang it.
Really trying to hold that one off.
I'll do a tail whip, you do a tray flip.
Okay. Did I get the top of your foot?
No, I was just disappointed in my own self-esteem. I can't believe how close I just got and then failed. Can you? Right here, right now, right here. Okay.
Jamba juice.
Tray flip. 3 tries for jump juice?
Yeah.
Any size or?
Any size.
Woo, boy. Okay, I know what we need to do. Dang it. Okay, so you
What
go.
was that for?
He already went. So, tray flip versus tail whip. May the best man win.
Oh! Dude!
You gotta jump forward.
Yeah, you're right there, dude.
Dang it!
Yeah, my toe was touching pretty bad, though.
I jumped on it, Gabe!
Jump up a little bit higher.
A little higher.
I'm not scared. He's not gonna land this. No big deal.
Dang it, dude. See, I do the scooter thing. I wait too long.
It's funny, the differences.
Yes!
I counted that.
No,
Dang it, dude.
that does not count.
That was close. See, I'm not missing my pop.
You gotta lean back, dude. You gotta pop. What are you doing?
You just gotta tell me I suck.
You rock.
Oh!
Okay, I got this. Next try.
Freaking rolled my ankle.
Big part of me feels like he's not trying that.
What?
All right, let's land this. If I land this, I'm doing every trick I learned in a line right after I land it. You ready? Let's go!
Straight into the 3-stair.
Oh my gosh!
2.
To the mini! I almost fell up there. To the ramp!
Yes, dude. 180.
I look pretty good. Oh, I forgot the 180. Count it! Let's go! Okay,
Do another tail whip.
you know what they say in
Yeah,
Braille?
dude.
2 to make it true.
Oh. He's got it now.
All right, get the tray flip.
All right. All right, I'll do it right here.
He does like the same thing most people do, not leaning back far enough.
I have to lean back further?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't believe I landed that.
That was legit.
It's the greatest.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of me too.
Yes, mate.
I got your back. Yep. First try, every try.
Dude, that was quick. That was awesome. 5 tricks. What was that, like 15 minutes?
5 days. We just wear the same clothes
Every
each
single
day.
We haven't showered, nothing. We're sleeping. I slept here.
Okay, my arms are going to be sore for 3 months, literally, just from picking this up. I mean, this is pretty light.
It's like 8-ish pounds, something like that. How heavy is it skateboard? 5.5?
Yeah, something like that. All right, well, that was super fun.
That was awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
And thank you for coming out here.
Oh, I'm so excited to be out here.
He literally did like 1,000 tricks. You guys will see the video. It's really, actually, completely mind-blowing.
Yeah, I'm almost at a meal ticket.
His YouTube channel is almost at 1 million, you guys. Gold play button.
Oh, man.
Let's go! So again, a huge thanks. It's really awesome having you out here.
Thank you for having me again. And we got a whole bunch more videos coming with this guy, and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Let's go! Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you, yes you, learning how to ride a skateboard.
Boom.